Hello everybody, welcome to Ivan Simple video. I don't think so this is that simple. Today I'm going to try to work on my Mini Cooper 2010. Yes, Mini Cooper S. I had a few issues on this car. The first issue, I had an oil leak. There's from right underneath over here, right underneath somewhere here. My supercharger feeder line or oil filter housing somewhere over here. This is a lot of oil I seen it. That's the first issue. Second, I need to change the timing chain. That's another thing. Hopefully I able to do this. I'm not a car mechanic. I'm reading this book, then watching some video, do some research. People doing it. People like me, they're doing it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to attempt it myself. So first thing I got to do the oil issue. So I seen there's some video. They're doing that. They got to remove the whole front end on this car, bumper, headlight, all this breaker, radiator, everything had to come out. That's why they're showing it. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. Alright, jack up the car. Put it on the stand jack. Put some extra thing underneath in case it's fall. I put in my other hydraulic jack underneath too. This way I jack it up. Make sure your car is secure. Then I gotta come over here. Get this panel out. I'll get this panel out. That is a lot of rubber thingy over here. All things you gotta remove. Then you gotta remove this on both sides. Then get some fastener underneath on the side. Some fastener. There's some plastic clips. And headlight, same thing. Headlight here is over here, bro. 1, 2, 3. Pull it out. Disconnect the wire. Then we get that. Then you gotta inside the bumper. This is a headlight. They got a four nut over here, number 10 bolt. It's electric connector. You gotta squeeze it. Let me see. I can do it. You gotta disconnect. You gotta disconnect. You gotta squeeze it and then pull it back. Okay, let me do that. Okay, I just dig it out of my car a little bit. I show you what I did it so far. I remove all this front end, radiator, bumper, headlight. I'm not going to remove it. I'm not going to bother with this air conditioner condenser. I don't want to recharge it. Just leave it hanging like that. That's not the problem. I need to get over here. Next thing I gotta remove all this air box, then intake tube, then it is removing or shield, and I gotta get into under this heat shield. Take a look what is in there. I'm suspecting somewhere over here, somewhere under right here is oil leak. Turbo heat shield, I move it. I think it's oil coming from the oil filter housing. Oil filter housing, or maybe, I don't know, maybe I seen over here turbo oil feed system. This is one is going up, one is going to return. I don't know, maybe over there. I'm going to take all this out, put the new seal or gasket. I'm going to change all the gasket, all this koozie, all this dirty thing is, I believe, from that leak. Just keep adding oil. About 3 weeks later, 4 weeks later, there's no oil in it. Then keep putting it, keep adding it, put the oil. less than 3 weeks. This is no oil. Oil is gone. I don't know where they're going. I guess it's all going under through here. That's what I'm digging in this car, trying to fix it. I pull this thing out. I don't know where the leak is, but it's all the sealed. Look okay. I don't know which one has failed. Alright, let me dig it in more. Maybe I can find something else. Okay, I just removed oil filter housing, and I just found out the gasket is fried. It's like a plastic. It leaks somewhere over here. Somewhere this part is really leaky. Now I want to change this turbo feeder line, oil feeder line, and then this is a feeder line, and then I think this is a feeder line. This is a return. I'm going to change that too. The people I watching some video, people say that might fail too. So if I got this far, then so I just changed that too. After that, I'm going to remove the valve cover and lock all the crankshaft and the camshaft. Try to get the chain out, timing chain.